guy that just doesn't want to seem to leave me alone while I'm harvesting. I know it's not a rattlesnake, but I don't like snakes, period. He looks like he wants to... Oh, he's after my lizard. Look at the lizard on top of the... He wants to go on my wheels too, but... Run, little lizard. Run before he finds out where you're at. He's gonna find you. Go, little lizard. Oh God, he's gonna find him. Run, little lizard. Oh, go! Ah! Oh God. He was after my lizard. Holy shit, he's fast. Holy crap. Yes, I just screamed like a little girl that I am. Oh, don't laugh at me. I absolutely... He needs to get the bad guys, not the lizards are good. Oh God, you are creepy, dude. Go away. Oh gosh, what did he get? He just got something. That little jackass is eating my little friendly lizards. Go get some mice. Alright, you and me are done, buddy. Oh, look at him. Look at him climb the chard. I cannot believe I am even videoing this. I want to kill you, but I know that you're good. I just don't like that you're eating my lizards.